Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Dr. Jacobs. In this video, I'm gonna go over the 5 surprising causes and risk factors for Morton's neuroma. It's very important to know those risk factors because that will help you to avoid the things that will aggravate your symptoms. So the first cause or risk factor is repetitive impact. So especially when someone running a lot or jumping or climbing, and putting a lot of pressure on this area, that could cause or trigger Morton's neuroma. The other common cause is abnormal gait pattern, and I will go over this in the other video, the proper way of walking. So there's a lot of people walking not in a normal way that actually cause more stress on that area, irritate the nerve and cause Morton's neuroma. High heel is very common with Morton's neuroma. I see a lot of patients that they start to experience Morton's neuroma after wearing high heel. High heel is extremely one of the common risk factors for causing Morton's neuroma, because when you think about this way, like when someone wear a high heel, all the pressure, all the weight going down on this area, and that's going to irritate the nerve and cause Morton's neuroma. So it's very common with high heel. The other risk factors, number 4, is when you have foot deformities, which mean you might have bunions or hammer toes, and that's actually related to number 5, which is actually bad shoes. If you have bad shoes, and I had a lot of patients that they start to develop Morton's neuroma from bad shoes that does not give you enough room for your toes to be comfortably open and have a space in between them, especially with the high heel. Back to the high heel shoes, they usually very tight on those areas and squeeze the metatarsals, and that will be a risk factor. So bad shoes is very high risk factor and cause. Make sure you wear comfortable shoes. And the other risk factor that's extremely common is high heel. I will avoid the high heel. And I will leave a link underneath this video for the 3 most effective natural treatment that you can do it at home to relieve Morton's neuroma pain. See you soon in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below or go to asterinstitute.com.